US Mobile versus Mint Mobile. When comparing US Mobile and Mint Mobile, the choice depends on the factors like coverage, flexibility, pricing, and customer service. For coverage, US Mobile offers dual network coverage through both Verizon and T-Mobile, giving it broader and reach and better flexibility. Mint Mobile, on the other hand, operates exclusively on T-Mobile's network, which is great if you're a strong T-Mobile service area. For plan and pricing, US Mobile provides higher customizable plans, allowing users to pick specific data amounts with prices starting around $45 per month. Mint Mobile offers cheaper, more straightforward plans that are especially affordable with longer commitments, for example $15 per month for 3 months plans. US Mobile prioritizes data speeds, while Mint Mobile, offering unlimited data, uses deprioritization during peak times, which can result in slower speeds. In conclusion, US Mobile is ideal if you prioritize flexible plans, fast data, and strong customer service, while Mint Mobile is a great choice for affordability and straightforward plans are more important to you. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.